In lane 1, we have bib number 122, Damika R. Lingdo from Meghalaya. In lane 3, we have bib number 78, A. Anjita Devi from Manipur. In lane 4, we have bib number 206, Dipshika Sutradhar from Tripura. Lane 5, we have bib number 118, Angelina Jackson from Meghalaya. Lane 6, we have bib number 77, Yaisana Loktongbam from Manipur. Lane 7, we have bib number 43, Trishna Bora from Assam. And in lane 8, we have bib number 169, Neshe Maunyu Konyak from Nagaland.
एक क्विक स्टार्ट लेन नंबर 3 से आया, लेन नंबर 4 से वहां पर दीपशिका सूत्रधार 206 चेस्ट नंबर, उन्होंने शुरुआत अच्छी की, लेकिन उसके बाद एंजेलिना जैक्सन ने उनको जो टाइट कंपटीशन दिया और आखिरी 40 मीटर वो रहे यसाना के नाम, मणिपुर की यसाना. वंडरफुल कॉन्टेस्ट बिटवीन लेन नंबर 4 एंड लेन नंबर 6, दीपशिका सूत्रधार और लोकटुंगबम. एक क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट था ये 100 मीटर की दौड़.
Right, Yaisana Loktombam winning the 100 meters above 20 women's out here. This is her second gold medal. How do you feel?
I feel very excited and so happy to win this. It's my first time to win gold in like this open tournament and all.
2 gold medals in your name. What does it mean to your career now?
It means a lot. It means a lot to me.
All right. And how old are you, by the way?
I'm going to be 20.
Okay, she's going to be 20. She's already won 2 gold medals. What else is in store for you? Do you still have any other races to compete in?
Yeah, I have 200 meter.
Okay. 200 meters. Let's look out for Yaisana Loktombam, hoping for her to get 3 gold medals and to increase the tally of Manipur's medal list. Thank you, Yaisana. Congratulations.
The bronze medal from Meghalaya, Angelina Jackson. Her timing was 13.10 seconds.
ये है एंजेलिना जैक्सन,
Silver medalist from Tripura, Dipshika Sutradhar. Her timing was 12.91 seconds. And the winner of the gold from Manipur, Yaisana Loktongbam. Her timing was 12.69 seconds.